Welcome to another episode of Company Spotlight from Hunterz.io. Today I am joined by Tzvia Bader, who is the CEO and co-founder of Trialjectory, one of our startups. Thank you so much for being here, Tzvia.
Thank you for having me.
Well, I'm so excited to tell our community a little bit more about Trialjectory. To start, why don't you tell us a little bit about what Trialjectory does, maybe in 30 words or less?
Easy. Trialjectory basically helps cancer patients find the right treatment for them.
Wonderful. That is easy. Tell me a little bit about your background and what inspired you to start Trialjectory.
So I've been in the tech industry all my life, always in roles of taking new technology capabilities and finding new business adventure. Was an entrepreneur the majority of my life. And then I got diagnosed with cancer. And when that happened, I realized how we apply advanced technology to about everything in life, other than the most important thing, which is journey for life and cure. And there's so little out there to help patients, and unfortunately also oncologists find the right treatment for them. Mm-hmm. Hence, we decided to build Trialjectory and leverage AI capability to help with the match.
So you talked about this a little bit, kind of this opportunity or what you couldn't find as a patient, but go into a little bit more detail about really the problem that Trialjectory is solving.
So basically, we're in a different place today for cancer patients. On the one hand, there is more and more patients being diagnosed, so more and more of us is impacted by this awful disease. On the other hand, there's a lot of innovation coming into play, a lot more treatment options with less side effects, more effective, turning cancer into a chronic disease rather than a deadly one, and that's the good news. The problem with this variety of different treatments that are actually being tailored and matched to, and looking for a specific patient profile, there's no tools out there to help you match, which leaves a lot of patients with the question, what is out there for me? Mm-hmm. What is right for me? And with so many different volume of different treatment options, with so many attributes that come into play if it's the right treatment or not the right treatment. With the medical jargon, there's so many obstacles in the way to actually identify the right treatment. And that's what we're trying to solve.
Really, really important stuff. Can you talk a little bit maybe about any sort of success or traction you've had? You know, obviously examples maybe that you can share that are public.
Yeah, absolutely. So far we already help over 3,000 patients being matched with advanced treatment. We've placed over 40 of them already in clinical trial. Clinical trial today are the cutting edge of the innovative treatments for cancer patients. So it's been a huge success and gave a lot of hope for those patients. On the other hand, when we look at the other side, the pharmaceutical company who are developing and investing time and money into those drugs can't find the right patient. So we're helping them, and we're already able to sign some agreement that the potential is over $35 million right now for us.
Amazing. That's great. In terms of looking forward into Trialjectory's future, where are you looking to grow? And then out of that, who are the kinds of companies that you're looking to be connected with?
So we plan to grow in terms of reaching out many more cancer patients, being basically the first outlet for anyone who's being diagnosed, who's being treated for cancer. So we'll grow with the cancer type that we are able to serve on our platform on the one hand, and on the other hand have more relationship with the bio-pharma and CRO as they are the payer for our service. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for oncology departments and clinical trial CRO who are focusing on oncology and sign agreements with them where we provide them with our service and help them identify the right patient for them and engage with the right patient with them for them, and for us to be able then to service cancer patient.
Perfect. And then lastly, for our Hunterz, who are the types of companies and the types of roles that you're looking for introductions to?
So I think I hinted towards it. So we're looking for biopharma or CROs, oncology focused only. Usually it will be the clinical trials operation or patient engagement team. Those are the typical roles that are engaged and are dealing with patient recruitment or are looking for the patient. And that's what we're looking for. So anyone who has any relationship out there, bring them our way. We'll be happy to make you happy, give you a little bit of extra dough in your pocket, and help us save lives.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much, Tzvia, for taking the time. And this is the end of another Company Spotlight. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.